Yeah, so let me open my workspace and create a notebook. So today we launch some shell today, like cluster we can launch the cluster name I can give just something we can create. So today my program is to write a program. Uh, Suppose say example on mobile number 10 digits are there. We want to mask middle 8 digits and show first and last 2 digits. That is my program today I want to write. So for this, we'll show you and even masking like email address. So first of all, from library we want to include Pyspark dot SQL import functions as df is equal to spark dot data frame. The 10 digit number maybe. Open it is here or in the to me. So this is the data I'm mocking here. Then let me show. If I'm not given, so I'm giving customer number, customer name, customer number, customer name, customer age, email ID. Yes, I missed the schema. That's what I've written. What is the problem here? Balakrishna, I want to learn. Dot builder dot master of local of one master mobile number dot dot create. Mm, Let me create the schema in different way. Maybe I will do one thing. I will do this the data. Maybe I will like assume like I don't want to create like this. I will create another way. Data. I will take it out the schema out. Okay. Name is for the string type. So yeah, successfully created data frame. Now I want to write the masking the data. Yeah, now successfully created data frame. Now I will write the logic for the masking the things. So for this, df is equal to this mobile number is visible, right? So I don't want visible like this. Df dot f dot regext replace email, comma, single quotes, open bracket, question mark, otherwise less than symbol, explanatory mark, up arrow. With the column name I'm masking. Masking. Replacing it. So like given like here regular expression, right? So then I'm giving a star symbol. So I'm asking both email and mobile number. So let me display the data frame now. C. So the first alphabet C. Abhiram 309 this email ID, right? So first character only visible, right? A only visible. So last character visible. So remaining characters I'm asking. So this is the way we can able to REGXP underscore replace. This is the way we can replace this one. So while you are in a banking project, while you are working with any insurance product, so if you want to masking the some data, we have to use the regular expression like this. Okay. So when you go for mobile number, see first number and last number only visible. Remaining numbers I am not visible to the console. Like this, we want to hide the mobile number, email IDs. Any sensitive data is there, we want to hide the data like this. Okay. Got it or any doubts? Hello? Understand? Yeah. Uh, this question mark represents like a zero. So this is the characters. This zero or one character. This is the expression we want to give. Okay. This is the pattern we want to give. This star represents the applies like each and every character. Mobile numbers contains 10 characters. Each and every character we want to apply masking. So that is the thing. We want to exclude the first character and last character. This is the meaning of last character. This is the meaning of first character. That is the meaning. Except this, remaining things I'm making like a star symbol. Got it or not? This is the star I'm making remaining characters. Except first character and last character. This is the meaning of this one. This is what this is the when we coming to the email ID, at the rate symbol is there, right? Before at the rate, we want to mask the characters. That's the meaning. There's a small variation is there between the email and mobile number. Okay. Okay. So let me stop recording.